All right, YouTube, what's going on? It is March 31st, and I am here to recap today's trade. So, going into today, I didn't really update last week. I'm still new to this YouTube thing. But last week, for the first time in about, I don't know, over a year, took 4 losses in a row live on stream. How did I react? Like any professional should. Followed my process, went through my work, didn't overreact, didn't think, oh my gosh, I lost 4 in a row. Let me find a new strategy. Oh my gosh. No. Did the same thing, dude. Back tested, studied, went over my work, journaled, tried to figure out why I had 4 losses in a row. And as I always tell my Discord, it happens. You know, they're going to watch me go through losing streaks, they're going to watch me go through winning streaks. So it was good today to get this one off. But it was a little bit of a journey. So let's get through it. I had these equal highs in the morning. That was my first target. So these equal highs right here was really what I wanted. I had put in my Discord, I want these equal highs. Well, when we opened, we absolutely tumbled. And when we tumbled, we hit this weekly sell side right here. This weekly sell side. So I was like, okay, cool. We got some sell side taken. When we hit higher time frame sell sides like that or buy sides, kind of expect a little bit of consolidation. It was a no news Monday, but it's not really what we got. So we hit it, we push up, we flush down one more time. I always tell people, usually when we take a higher time frame sell side or buy side like this, a lot of times it comes in to make one more low before pushing up. So I saw that, I noticed it, and then we had this inverted fair value gap right here. I got ran through with a change in the state. Change in the state right here. And when that happened, that was what I wanted for my first entry. And I'm not going to lie, I kind of had a cold trigger finger with this just because, again, 4 losses in a row. I'm on stream. You know, I'm still new to streaming in front of people and trading live in front of people. By myself, automatic. But I had cold feet on it. Don't trip. Then I see this one. Again, broke through this area. Fair value gap, tapped, runs. So, missed that one. At this point, I then journal. I put in my journal. I'm going to read. I feel slightly nervous to place a trade, even though I shouldn't because I effing do this. So, just reset. Muted myself on stream and just said like a little prayer, just to kind of get back in the zone. So I'll show you the trade I did take though. So I missed those two, and then we have this M15 fair value gap right here, and we also have an M5 fair value gap right here. So once we started pushing, I wanted to see us touch this. But I saw we had an M5, and I also saw, this is what makes this M5 very high value. Equilibrium's right there. Our fair value gap is hanging right under equilibrium. So when I see us fail to push through this M15 right here, which is also an M5, but this yellow box is an M15. When I see us fail to push through, at this point, I am looking at a potential reversal to equilibrium and to our fair value gap right here. So when we put in this high right here, we SMT'd. So as you see to my right, this high right here was not taken by NQ. This high right here was not taken by NQ. But ES took this high, as you can see right here. Boom, taken, not taken. So at this point, I am expecting a retrace down to this M5 fair value gap. And if I can get it, sweet. Because overall, I want to see our targets up here hit. If I can get it, sweet. And get it, did I. So we have this fair value gap right here. Again, we're inside of a M15 fair value gap, right? We have a fair value gap right here. Price pushes down, one more time up, and then bam, slams down. So right when we close, I was able to get that. So I pulled right there. And then we obviously went to target, hit TP, just simple 1-to-1. Reason why I like this, we're in a M15 fair value gap. We have an SMT. I do want to see these hit, but I understand SMT, 15-minute fair value gap, M1 inversion, and we have a 30-second and a 15-second change of the state with our M5 hanging down here and our 50% retracement level right there. So I expected to come down here and hit this area. So that's why when I got this candle, and these candles right here are ones I really like. I love these big, strong candles. I'm not a fan of like having big tails, big wicks on my candles that I enter on. So if I invert a fair value gap and I'm looking to take it on the inversion, I am looking to close through it and like completely smash through it and not have any thought, oh, well, it barely closed, or, we went way down here, but we left a big old wick. Not looking for that. I want strong closes. That's where my A+ setups come from. That's my bread and butter. So again, SMT at the highs. M15 fair value gap held. Displacement down. That's a displacement candle. Inversion, changing the state on the lower time frames. Boom. We saw our target. So that was it. That was a trade today. A one and done. I did see another buy opportunity later on in the day, but being on a 4-trade losing streak, I wanted to just get that disgusting ick, a disgusting, feeling of like, losing 4 in a row off of me. And I just wanted to have a fresh mindset going into today. So that was it. I told my Discord that, being a part of this and seeing how real trading is done, you're going to see losing streaks. You're going to see winning streaks. You're going to see all of it. And that's what I want to show people in my group is, hey, it doesn't matter if you're, making money in trading and you're far on your journey and you're consistent, you're still going to deal with losing streaks. I see a lot of traders that I follow and I take information from and I study. I see them go through little losing streaks all the time. It's about how you react. I didn't go on tilt. I didn't go blow my accounts. I didn't over leverage. No. The max trades I can lose in a day is 2 trades. Cannot lose more than 2 trades in a day. Because once I take 2 losses, I'm done for the day. It's in my trading plan. It's like I'm a robot with that. I don't trade more. It saves my ass because if I can't win one of my first 2, and I'm not going for huge RR, I'm going for 1-to-1s, 1-to-2s, 1-to-1.5s. If I lose my first 2 trades, I'm clearly not seeing price right. I'm clearly not in flow with the market. It's not my day. So when I lose 2, I take it on the chin and I move on. So you guys are going to deal with that a lot in your journey, losing streaks, losing multiple trades. The thing you shouldn't do is, oh, it's my edge. I got to go change my edge. Something's wrong with it. No, what you should do is still go through your process. If you've seen consistency and you have a model that works, just because it fails 4 or 5 times in a row does not mean it's not a bad model. Maybe you're just having a bad week. I compare everything to basketball in this game. Steph Curry has bad shooting nights. If Steph Curry has a bad shooting night, do you think he's going to go try and learn how to shoot from somebody else or tweak something? No, he's going to get back in the gym. He's going to get back in rhythm. Our gym is back testing, studying. He's going to get back in the gym. He's going to get it right. He's going to build his confidence up. Again, build your confidence up, back testing. And he's going to go to the next game and he's going to fire away when he sees the shots. So just wanted to leave you guys with that today. I am going to try to post more of these YouTube videos. I'm getting in the mix of doing YouTube and all that, but my goal is to post a few times a week, eventually every day. But I just want to get my journey out there. I feel like I have a lot to give to the trading world. So that's kind of my goal, is to just give back as much as I can and, share my wins, share my losses, share my experiences, and just share what helps me, on a daily basis with this. So that being said, nothing crazy. 1-to-1, started the week off good. It was the last trade of March for me. I'm ending the month in March up 10R, which is sweet. Last week I was down 3R. I won a trade on Monday, and then I took 4 losses. So I was down 3R last week. So going into last week, I was having a really good month, little setback, and then last day of the month was able to get myself to 10R for the month. So having a good year so far, and I plan on continuing that and scaling up my size and getting better every single day. I still study to this day. I still back test to this day. I still journal every single day. It's the little things that count in this. So with that being said, until the next video, you guys have a great night, morning, afternoon, whenever time you guys are watching this. Have a good one. God bless.